Hey, I've been thinking about getting an action camera. What do you think of the Insta360 X4?
Oh, that's a great choice. Honestly, it's the best action camera out there right now.
Really? Why not something like a GoPro? Isn't that the standard?
GoPro is solid, but the Insta360 X4 has some insane features. For starters, it shoots 8K video. That's way sharper than GoPro's 5.3K.
Okay, but do I really need 8K? Most people can't even tell the difference between 4K and 8K.
It's true, but here's the thing. 8K gives you more flexibility. You can crop, zoom, or stabilize footage without losing quality. Perfect for editing later.
Fair point. But what about battery life? Action cameras are notorious for dying quickly.
The X4 has improved battery life compared to older models. Plus, you can carry spare batteries. It's not a deal breaker if you're prepared.
Alright, but how's it useful in everyday life? Like at work or home? I don't do extreme sports.
That's where the X4 shines. It's not just for adrenaline junkies. At the office, you can use it discreetly to record meetings or presentations.
Discreetly? How does that work?
The X4 is tiny and super low profile. You can clip it to your shirt or desk without anyone noticing. And with voice control, you don't even need to touch it.
Interesting. But what if I want to capture something specific during a meeting?
Easy. Use its bullet time feature. It captures a 360-degree view so you can reframe the shot later. No need to worry about angles while recording.
Wow, that's cool. But how's it helpful at home?
At home, it's perfect for capturing memories without being intrusive. For example, you can set it up in the living room during family gatherings.
But won't people feel weird knowing they're being recorded?
Not really. The X4 blends into the background because it's so small. Plus, you can turn off the indicator lights for total discretion.
Okay, but isn't it overkill for casual stuff like parties or dinners?
Not at all. Think about it. You'll have high-quality footage of moments you'd otherwise forget. And with AI-powered editing tools, you can make professional-looking videos in minutes.
That does sound tempting. Any other perks?
Definitely. For one, it's waterproof up to 10 meters. So no extra housing needed for pool days or rainy walks.
Nice. What about photos? Does it take good stills too?
Absolutely. It takes 72mm photos with HDR. Great for snapping detailed shots of projects, documents, or even product listings if you're selling online.
Speaking of online, could I use it for social media content?
100%. The X4's stabilization is unmatched. Whether you're walking around the office or filming a cooking tutorial at home, your videos will look buttery smooth.
What about audio? Action cams usually have bad mics.
The X4 has advanced noise reduction and directional audio. If you're recording a podcast or vlog at your desk, it'll pick up clear sound without background noise.
Alright, you're selling me on it. But isn't it expensive?
It's priced higher than some competitors, but trust me, it's worth every penny. When you factor in the versatility and quality, it pays for itself.
I guess so. Anything else I should know before buying?
Just one tip, invest in a good memory card. Since it records in 8K, files get big fast. A high-speed SD card ensures smooth performance.
Got it. Thanks for the advice. I think I'm convinced. Insta360 X4 it is.
You won't regret it. Welcome to the future of action cameras.